Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making crispy chicken burger. So let's get started. For this I've taken approx 700 grams of boneless chicken, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. For the coating, we'll need 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. So first I have cut the chicken breast fillets horizontally into 1/4 inch thick pieces. Then I added milk, vinegar, salt and pepper, red chili sauce, ginger garlic paste, and finally 1 beaten egg. Now mix all of this together and then let it marinate for about 4 hours. Also mix self-raising flour with salt and paprika. Now take each piece of chicken and coat it with flour. Once I was done with all, I repeated this coating one more time. Then I deep fried them on medium heat for about 4 minutes each side, or until it was golden. Separately, toast the buns and make things ready for assembly. Here for assembling, I have applied a spoonful of mayonnaise, topped it with some salad leaves. Add a piece of chicken along with some spicy mayo sauce or any sauce of your liking. Add a slice of cheese and it's done. This recipe will make approx 8 burgers. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram, click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day and like always, thanks for watching.